Welcome to challenge number 5. You are so close to being done. You can do it. For this challenge, you are going to find our virtual tools section. So within the Google Classroom, there's a section called virtual tools. I want you to click on either the math tools or our calming room and leave me a public comment on the post. Now, before we get started, remember please that public comments can be read by everyone in the class. So we need to keep our comments appropriate and on topic. Okay, let's go try it. So you're going to click on the Try It Now button, and that button will take you into our classroom, but into a slightly different area of our classroom. So instead of going into the stream, which is where we've been for the last few challenges, we are now in the classwork area. This is where I will be posting our assignments. This is where your Google challenge from prior challenges was, and this is where all of our tools are. So you'll see here, I have a heading called our virtual tools. In here are pages that will be up the entire year. As long as our classroom exists, these tools will be here, and they're meant to help you, whether it's the math tools or the chilling out room or the classroom prizes, to kind of stay on task and stay with me and have the tools that you need to succeed. So let's click into them. Our challenge was to click on the math or the calming room and leave me a public comment. So I'm going to go onto the math one. Now I'm going to say view material. So here you'll see a little description. This room is filled with all of our virtual math manipulatives. You can access this room anytime. So if we're working live and we're doing math and you need, let's say, fraction strips, if we're doing some fractions, or cubes, if we're building something, all of those are in here. So at any time when you think you need a tool, you can come on over and open it up. And when you click on it, you will see that there's a little shelf. There's my little Bitmoji, Miss G, and it says click on the math tools to practice. So let's say we're doing multiplication, because that's what we're going to kind of start with looking at. And you need a number chart. Well, that's fine. Right here is a rainbow number chart. So you click on it, and it'll take you to a new window where it shows you a chart. It goes all the way up to 120. So you can use this to count things off. There's even colors down here. So if you wanted to color code them, you could. You can change the color as you go. Maybe I'm counting by 5. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to put each 5 pink. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. And I would go through the whole thing. Now, we don't need that anymore. We need something different. Maybe we are doing some place value. We would click on the place value blocks. And look, they're right here for us. So you can literally just click and drag. If you need just a one piece, you can use the one piece. And we're going to build our place value blocks in here. So this is a really valuable tool that we're going to be using a lot. Again, anything in here can just be clicked on. Now, our job was to write a private comment. So we're going to go down, a public comment. So we're going to go down here and we're going to use the class comment section this time. And I'm going to say, wow, so many cool math tools. That kind of rhymes, cool math tools. Anyways, then you click that and you're done. That's the end of it. Now, before I let you go, I'm actually going to show you the second room as well. If you didn't choose the math room, if you chose to go into our virtual chill out room, I cannot tell you how long it took me to build this room, but it is fantastic. So sometimes we can feel overwhelmed. This room is for when you need a break. So that can happen when we're in class together and we're going to have a little code for you to tell me, like, I need a body break. This is too much for me, Miss G. I'm stressed. Or when you're just working on your own, or maybe when you're just at your house and you're starting to feel overwhelmed. You're a little bit stressed and you just need some activities that will help calm you down. I have put a bunch of activities together. So if we click on it, it comes up just like the math room, but I've actually created 4 different rooms for you to choose from. So it says to click. Unfortunately, when I uploaded it, the click for that didn't work. So you have to scroll down, but the click on everything else works. So this is the Zen Garden. This is my Winter Wonderland. You'll notice that I'm there. And if you were to click anywhere where the mouse kind of becomes that little hand, you can click on them and it takes you to an activity. It's going really slow. I don't know why. I'm running out of time to do this. I'm going to have to press stop on the video. There's the video. I have to go though. So it shows you a video and you can go through and have fun.